Today, we'll work on top-down analysis. You'll learn so many key points for day trading and scalping. You'll learn how to identify good trades, bad trades, low probability trades, high probability trades, manage your positions and risks on the go. This is one of those videos that you will need to watch 10 times and get every data that you can. If you're ready, let's start. Welcome our free trading course. Our main focus is price action trading strategies and smart money concepts. If you love scalping and day trading, or maybe swing trading, and looking for special trading strategies, check out my free trading course. You can find the links on Google Drive or directly from my website, which is in the description. Okay, Bitcoin, our most loved crypto. Let's go step by step again from the top-down analysis and learn how to identify the high and low probability trades. By drawing your overall premium and discount zones, you get a snapshot of if the price is expensive or cheap. As you can see, BTC reaches extremely expensive levels to buy at the moment. The most obvious thing here is the internal liquidity, extremely critical to watch. I want you to focus on the swing highs and daily liquidity areas. This is the most important one to focus on before trading. You can also see this leftover imbalance here. The unfilled part of this giant imbalance, very important to watch. Let's open the 4-hour time frame and dissect it more and more. Okay, the 4-hour time frame. I want you to look at this area. What is this structure? Please pause the video and type the name in the comment section. Yes, drop base drop, DBD, is one of the natural supply areas. However, I can find hundreds of drop base drop areas in any chart. Why is this so important? This supply area is extremely important because it is the first significant supply area right after daily liquidity and imbalance. So this could be the first struggle area, the reaction area, after the imbalance is filled and daily liquidity is hunted. This is where I should be looking for a trade. So what does it all mean? Supply and demand zones right after or before the imbalances and liquidity, such as order block combined with imbalance and liquidity, or breaker block combined with imbalance and liquidity, is much more reliable and usable for us. Now I'll focus on this little part with 3-minute chart, and we will work on what kind of trades that we can take here. Okay, great, 3-minute time frame. Now let's identify the high and low probability trades, how to avoid bad trades, and how to take the best trades. Do you see the daily liquidity line here? If you forgot, just open the first part of the video and notice how we identified this. There's also the leftover part of the imbalance still waiting to be filled. Do you see this? Almost hunted the daily liquidity and touched the imbalance. But it did not. Instead, the price makes a sharp fall here, creating a nice break with imbalance. Plus, there are great targets below for us to trade, right? Not just only that, but it also makes internal equal highs hunt and creates a swing failure pattern right here. In normal conditions, this is a great setup. If I did not know anything about higher time frames, I could have taken this trade. But I know it very well. Higher time frames are bigger than lower time frames. And the imbalance and untaken liquidity in high time frames are much more powerful than in the low time frames. I know this is a trap, a low probability trade that you must avoid. This is how you should identify low and high probability trades, how to decide which trades to take, which trades to avoid. It is all about combining high and low time frames and identifying the key structures. Okay, let's check out the same chart again with a different mindset. This time you are aware of the high time frame for daily liquidity and imbalance. You see this break here? It is a very strong upward break, creating this nice imbalance. It also creates this nice support and resistance flip area here. Now you are taking a trade 100% opposite of the previous case. Why? Because this time you know that there is a much more powerful target that comes from the daily time frame, daily liquidity and imbalance. One more time, high time frame structures, supply, demand, liquidity or anything else will always be more powerful than low time frame structures. This is the thin line between good and bad trades. Okay, let's talk about my trade. Actually, it is quite straightforward. Once the price hunted daily liquidity and fully filled the imbalance, it finally reached my supply area. Now, all I needed was a reaction, a change in the structure to trade. Once I noticed these equal highs, I did not rush anything. All I needed was an internal hunt and market structure break. Structure slowly changed right here. You could have found an entry from the first structure change. I was not fully focusing on it at that time. However, I was able to catch the second break. Much more importantly, any significant targets to aim for. You remember, if there is no target, a clear target, we never take the trade. This mini imbalance was significant because it was just waiting under these nice equal lows right here. As you know, my favorite targets to trade. Entering this trade was not hard at all. As usual, draw your premium and discount zone and find the most significant imbalance possible in the zone. You'll notice that most natural breaks and imbalances always collide with support and resistance flip areas, just like this one. An easy trade with enough room for the stop loss and clear target. However, I only took partial profit. I always check for other structures before fully closing a position. If it has a potential runner, I leave leftovers in the trade. Let's see the bigger picture in 5 minutes. Once I opened the chart, I also noticed that it had the potential to turn into ROTE after a while. Once you draw your Fibonacci tool, it is very clear. There was this imbalance area. I decided to keep the position for longer. After a long accumulation phase, finally the manipulation phase happened. Now what a chance! Manipulation phase matching this imbalance, also this mini drop-based drop, and the order block inside. Yeah, all this just chance and randomly happens. After that, the expansion phase is completed. You may ask why this price expanded like that. You can see the uptrend liquidity below. Again, all randomness and chance. All in all, this is it. This is how you identify good trades, bad trades, low probability trades, high probability trades. Manage your positions and risks on the go. Price action gives you all the answers that you seek. Okay folks, another adventure ends here. I hope that you easily do the top-down analysis by yourself now. All these trading methods are usable for scalping, day trading, or even swing trading. You can use it with Forex, crypto, or stocks. I hope you subscribe to the channel and like the video. Thank you, please take care and see you soon.